This is going to be a full moon tarot reading for my soul family on YouTube. We have a super moon, which is also a partial lunar eclipse on September 17th, 2024. Please just remember that it may or may not resonate, and also that this energy could extend into the recent past as well as the near future. Alright, let's get the most prominent energies, and then we'll look at what's fading away, what's going within, as well as what will emerge on the other side. And we'll wrap everything up, of course, with additional advice or messages. What do you have for my soul family? Most prominent energies with this super moon, September 17th, 2024. For my soul family on YouTube, please. Most prominent energies with this super moon, this lunar eclipse, September 17th, 2024. Most prominent energies. Third house perception. Alright, so I feel like as though there could be a release, okay, of perception. Like, I feel like there could be like a perspective that's kind of like held you back in a way, right? Like, that's kept you from, I want to say doing more. It's like, it's kept you from doing more. So I feel like there's like self-limiting perspective. There's a self-limiting thought process, okay, that maybe you're letting go of or needing to let go of in order to expand, alright? I feel like there's something definitely coming full circle in regard to that, okay, with the circulation, with third house perception. Moon feelings is on the bottom, so I feel like this is like honoring those instincts more. I feel like maybe this is coming out of some energy of habit. It's like a self-limiting habit, a self-limiting perspective. I feel like you're needing to make adjustments there. I feel like there's a release of that, alright? I feel like you're moving towards something by releasing it. I feel like you're moving towards something that's going to prove more substantial for yourself, okay? You also have first house self behind that. So yeah, I feel like this is your outlook. This is your perspective. This may be how you view yourself and also how you view others around you. But I really feel like there's this energy of self-awareness and like where you're holding yourself back, okay? Give me another one for my soul family with this super moon, September 17th, 2024. Okay. Gemini, the butterfly. I feel like this is you being more connected to the inner voice. This is you being more connected to like what it is your instincts are telling you to do about things, alright? I feel like if you're a little like restless or like fidgety, I feel like this is you finding a way around that, right? Because again, I feel like there's something to do with like a self-limiting perspective. Like you kind of hold yourself back in a way here, and it's like realizing that there's an awareness around that. And I feel like there's this energy of you finding a way to be more flexible. You're adapting to the change, all right? Being more flexible with this perspective. Give me another one here for my soul family on YouTube. Thank you. Neptune dreams. So this has to do with the subconscious, okay? So I feel like there's this energy of kind of like going within, right? Because I feel like there's that awareness around your perception, around your perspective, and how that limits you, right? Where it holds you back and keeps you from something that you want to like move towards here, okay? There could be like this energy of confusion because of that as well. But I feel like this is you like really doing some deep introspection. Ooh. Venus love. Yeah, so I feel like this is you realizing like where is it you hold yourself back, how you keep yourself closed off to some energy of like what it is you're trying to receive, right? Like what it is you're going after, what it is you're trying to accomplish, what it is you're looking to attract. You hold yourself back from that. You don't really indulge in it because I feel like I heard something about that. Like there was kind of like this energy of for the end of the week, it was like an energy of might kind of dabble in something, but you don't really like go all in with it, right? And then Leo the lover is here, so I feel like this could have to do with like your creativity, right? That energy of confidence and trusting your abilities to make something happen. I feel like this might have been the weekly read. Give me more for my soul family, please. Most permanent energies with this super moon, September 17th, 2024. Most permanent energies. Okay. Veiled and acceptance. Yeah, so I feel like there's this energy of confusion, right? I feel like there's this energy of clarity. that may be coming to you or that has come to you. I feel like there's an energy of clarity and acceptance around some sort of change. It feels like there's change here, okay? It's just like that change in your perspective, that change in your perception. I feel like it has to do with yourself and how you, like how you view things, maybe how you view your abilities. There's something in the subconscious, and it's like you realize where you limit yourself, okay? So I feel like it's coming out of that energy, accepting yourself as you are, accepting what it is that you want to move towards, moving towards it. Creation, so there's the creativity. Okay, so I feel like there's an alignment with this green man energy. I feel like this is you being in tune, in touch, right? Because like I said, I feel like there's that self-awareness. So there's this, I feel like this is you honoring that instinct, honoring what it is that you know here about this creation. It's like enough with the self-limiting talk and thoughts. Emergence and assessing, yes. So hunger is on the bottom and release. So there's, in order to blossom, okay? I feel like you are needing to let go of where you keep yourself stuck, where you hold yourself back. I feel like something is coming full circle with how you view yourself, how you view your situation. I feel like this is looking to the future, looking to what it is you want to create for yourself, how you see yourself growing, where you see yourself growing, what it is that you desire. I do feel like it could involve some change, like in your environment maybe is what I want to say. Tell me what's fading away for my soul family at the time of this super moon. Thank you. Four of Air. I feel like what's fading away is just, it's like an energy of indifference. It's an energy of looking at the situation, contemplating the situation, rather than actually doing something about the situation. Okay, so I feel like, again, there's somehow you're limiting yourself in your thought process. Okay, I feel like it could be related to your confidence and your ability to create something, manifest something. But I feel like that's like what's fading away, okay? I feel like there's some clarity that's being gained here with the Four of Air. Alright, yeah, Ten of Air. So I feel like there's some sort of change here. There's some sort of ending. And I feel like a release, right? There's a release. Because it's like, that's what's fading away. There's a release of the confusion. There's a release of feeling like you can't do something. Ace of Fire, there's the creativity again, that creation. Alright, so what's growing within for my soul family at the time of this supermoon, September 17th, 2024, please? What's growing within for my soul family at the time of this supermoon? Shoot, you threw it at me. Eight of Water. I feel like this is you gaining the courage, gaining the strength to walk away. I feel like that's what's happening here. It's like I feel like you're moving towards what it is you want to move towards, that dream energy, okay? There's something you're no longer engaging with. I don't know if it's just the thoughts, like these self-limiting thoughts. There's something you're not engaging with any longer, alright? So okay, so you could be releasing this energy. I feel like, yeah, there's like this energy of confidence, right? Like you're coming out of your head. I feel like you're moving out of your head, out of these negative thoughts, moving past like something to do with your subconscious, whatever's in your subconscious towards this Ace of Fire. And the Six of Water, okay? Alright, so I feel like there's something from the past, something in the subconscious. I feel like there's an energy of reflection around that. There's an awareness around that. Okay, whatever it is that keeps you from like moving in a direction you want to move. Alright, I feel like she's protecting herself from something here. It's like it's a matter of self-protection, wanting to protect yourself from something past. Okay, so there is something in the subconscious. And I feel like this is a matter of you moving past that. I feel like there's this energy of you embracing yourself here. and moving towards what it is you're looking to move towards with the dream energy. No longer sitting in this energy of like contemplation, self-protection. And there's something in the subconscious. Alright, tell me what will emerge on the other side of this supermoon for my soul family, September 17th, 2024. What will emerge on the other side of this supermoon for my soul family? King of Water. I feel like what emerges is this, I feel like you're more open, you're more vulnerable, but like, I don't know, to this dream, to the universe, we're going to clarify, but I feel like somehow you're more open, right? Like you're more vulnerable. I feel like you're more accepting of what it is that you feel, where it is that you're at, I want to say. What it is that you're doing, what it is that you're looking to create or working on creating. There's some sort of end, see, with the Tower. There's some sort of change, some sort of shift. And it does lead towards like this healing emotional, like I feel like healing the emotions. There's an emotional healing that takes place. Let's clarify the 4 air for my soul family. What's fading away at the time of this super moon of September 17, 2024. Yeah. I feel like you're rebalancing yourself. You're coming back into alignment here, alright? I feel like what's fading away is like there's an energy of imbalance. I don't know if it's just like mental, emotional, both. It seems like both, alright? You have Libra, but I feel as though what's fading away is like this imbalance, like with your mental state and what it is that you're doing, okay? So I feel like in that sense, like you're coming back into alignment. 3 of Pentacles is here, 10 of Swords is here. Alright, so there could definitely be some change. I feel like something that came to an end, alright? But I feel like now this is like you nurturing something with this dream energy. You're nurturing something here with some energy of self-awareness when it comes to how you've held yourself back. There's openness, alright? 4 of Pentacles, yes. I feel like that's what's fading away is the self-limitation, alright? Where you've chosen not to see, what you've chosen not to see, what you're now acknowledging. What's fading away is what you chose not to acknowledge, what you chose not to see about yourself, about others. It's definitely from the past, alright? 6 of Cups, I feel like could definitely be the subconscious. I feel like with the High Priestess, there's like definitely this deep introspection about it. And I feel like there is an awareness, okay? Tell me what's going within with the 8 of Water for my soul family on YouTube at the time of this supermoon, September 17th, 2024. What about the 8 of Water? 5 of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Again, it's like where you've held yourself back. You've been so focused on something. There's something from either like in your subconscious or from your past. It's been deep within you. I feel like it's related to disappointment. It brought this energy of disappointment. Alright, I feel like there was such a focus on something from the past. There's like it's almost like not looking at this Ace of Pentacles. It's not seeing the sun. It's not seeing this opportunity for something greater, something better, okay, something more stable. So it's like you're leaving behind like this emotional blockage. There's an emotional blockage, but it's like mental in a sense, because like you're choosing not to see it. I feel like that's tying in with the acceptance with this 5 of Cups. It's like accepting things for what they are, accepting the past for what it was. You know, it's like you can feel the negativity, you can feel the letdown, you can feel the disappointment, you can feel the sadness, but at some point you have to accept it, right? At some point you have to accept it so that you can move forward. It's not accepting it for the sake of anybody else, it's accepting it for the sake of yourself, so that you can take on other opportunities here that lead you to success, that lead you to stability, right, and happiness. Yeah, Page of Wands is here. So I do feel like there's been some sort of change. I feel like it's a matter of you choosing to see beyond, right? I feel like this is a matter of you allowing yourself to move forward. Tell me what will emerge on the other side of this supermoon for my soul family with the King of Water, September 17th, 2024. Tell me about the King of Water. Four of Swords again. And Ten of Wands. I feel like it's what you've been choosing not to see, alright? The Devil. I do feel like there's some energy of self-limitation here, alright? There could be an energy of insecurity. I feel like, you know, maybe there's something that led you to feeling this way. Maybe there's some sort of like interactions, right? With that Gemini energy. This could be like interactions with others or the influence of others. But I feel like there's a release of that, okay? Because ultimately I feel like it's been like you self-limiting, alright? You're limiting yourself. And I feel like this is you now being more open with the King of Water, Four of Swords. Tell me more about the Four of Swords. Tell me more about the Four of Swords. What will emerge on the other side of this supermoon for my soul family on YouTube, September 17th, 2024. Tell me more about the Four of Swords. Yeah. Hangman and Eight of Pentacles. I feel like this is what you've been choosing to look at, what you've been choosing to focus on, right? And I feel like when you shift that perspective, when you shift that perspective about what it is that you're focusing on, things change, right? Like you're able to make things change. All right. So I feel like that's what this is with the Eight of Pentacles and the Hangman. It's like, I feel like your focus was on the wrong thing. And now it's a matter of like putting that focus on the right thing. I feel like there's an awareness, right? There's that wisdom that you've gained in the process of this introspection. And also, I feel like for some, it's a matter of being like less stubborn, right? Less stubborn to how you're choosing to see things, how you're choosing to view things. Again, I feel like there's a need for some flexibility here with this change. Like you're needing to be flexible in what it is that you're choosing to focus on, what it is that you're choosing to do to make something happen for yourself here, okay? So the Fool is here and the Chariot. That's what I'm... And the Magician. Wow. So I do feel like there could be... I feel like this is you manifesting, creating something new. There's a new start here, okay? But I feel like it's been a matter of perspective. And for some, I feel like it's been a matter of, like, stubbornness when it comes to how you're choosing to view the situation. That, you know... That's what's been limiting you. Tell me about the Ace of Pentacles for my soul family. Can we get a little more on this Ace of Pentacles for my soul family? Yeah. I feel like this is you realizing new opportunities, being willing to realize new opportunities. I do feel like it's been a matter of like stubbornness, the Queen of Wands, right? I also feel like this is a matter of determination, how determined you are to make things happen for yourself, right? And so I feel like it's releasing that stubbornness about whatever it is, like where you've misplaced your focus. It's about placing your focus on the right thing now. Can you give me more in here for my soul family regarding this supermoon? September 17th, 2024, please. What more of this message for my soul family? September 17th, 2024. Be bold and make the first move, Cardinal Moon. So I feel like choosing not to hold yourself back any longer, choosing to see it from a new perspective, a higher perspective. Believe in the impossible, Blue Moon. So there's a little bit of skepticism here, pessimism. It's time to take action, New Moon and Aries, all right? I do feel like you're aligning yourself here, needing to align yourself, all right? Once you have this awareness about where you've been holding yourself back. A new romantic cycle begins, New Moon in Libra. It doesn't have to like specifically exactly be romantic. I feel like this is just something in your heart here, right? With that King of Cups. It's what you feel, and it's moving in that direction of what it is that you're feeling here with this change. The end of a tough cycle approaches, Full Moon in Capricorn. I do feel like this is you being open to the change, being flexible with the change, being flexible with like where you need to shift your perspective and do something different. Surrender to the divine, Full Moon. Yeah, so there's that acceptance. That's that openness, okay, to this change, whatever's going on here. And then you have expect powerful change, New Moon eclipse. And you also have Full Moon eclipse. Conclusions are within reach. So I feel like this is you essentially switching your mindset, switching your perspective, allowing this change to happen, making this change happen. It's kind of like old habits dying hard. Emotions, number 12. So there's that new cycle beginning, I feel like. Okay. Allowing this new cycle to begin, being open to this new cycle. Surrender, number 31. Being open to the new cycle. Intuition, honoring that instinct. Coming into alignment here with balance. Give me one more. September 17th, 2024. Yep, celebration, number 6. I feel like there's this energy of growth. I feel like it's moving in the direction of these dreams. This is tying in with the dreams for me, alright? So I feel like there's this energy of growth. There's this energy of healing. I feel like it leads to something more worthwhile. Something that's going to lead to, like, emotional fulfillment, right? Like, it's going to make you happier in the long run. Mother Earth is here on the bottom, so I feel like there's just connectedness and openness with the limitless, alright? Honoring yourself here with the integrity, making the decision to do so. Can we get final messages for my soul family regarding this super moon, September 17th, 2024? Can I get more for my soul family regarding this super moon? Yeah, I feel like sabotage. I feel like it's an energy of self-sabotage, alright? Weighing the options. I feel like decluttering, alright? It's decluttering the mind. It's definitely decluttering the mind. Allowing yourself to be more open to the possibilities. Got motivated here. Aligning your words with actions. I feel like this is also like aligning your thoughts, right? Like this is like getting your heart and mind in alignment in order to like move forward. Give me one more for my soul family. September 17th, 2024. Autumn, which is where we're at. I feel like that's the release of how you've been holding yourself back. Double standards, socialize. So yeah, I feel like there's an energy of openness with the socialize, alright? I feel like coming out of that. Yeah, control issues. In a way, I feel like you may have to release some control, some feeling of control, right? Because I feel like this is like a matter of like not staying with what you know. It's a matter of like comfortability with the control issues. There's something to do with the comfortability of where you're at. And I feel like this is you like moving past that, right? Like this is you moving past your comfort zone. Expect the unexpected. So there could definitely be change, right? But I feel like you could see positive change with this release, all right, of the self-sabotage. I feel like this is you connecting with your intuition. I feel like this is you connecting with spirit and honoring where it is that you're feeling led to go with it. Alright. For my soul family, September 17th, 2024. Supermoon. Yeah, riding the wave of positive manifestation. A dream coming true. Great things happening. I feel like there's a need to believe in great things happening. A need to believe in your ability to manifest positive things. Palm tree, stability, security, growth. We talked about that. And also flexibility, which we also talked about. I get one more for my soul family. September 17th, 2024. The golden mirror. Ooh. So there's like a one-sided relationship, or there's something that's like one-sided here, okay? I'm also kind of like taking this as a need to be more self-focused, more focused on yourself, where it is that you're going, what it is you're looking to manifest. With self-absorbed, to be honest, I feel like there's a need for self-focus, okay? But you could have dealt with like a one-sided situation that wasn't any good for you. Maybe that's what where there's this change, what you're needing to release from the past, right? Maybe you've dealt with a narcissist in the past, and it's kind of like, I feel like it's like kind of like created like this subconscious matter for you that you're having to like figure out and work through and get past, okay? Because there is truth and clarity, which we talked about with the veil energy. So, and I feel like this is you know, stepping into that place of honor when it comes to yourself, and power when it comes to yourself, okay? There's some sort of revelation, some sort of change here, some sort of clarity that's come in, and I feel like this is you like moving in a new direction, embracing that clarity, all right? Embracing what that change means for you. Final message for my soul family. The time of the supermoon, September 17th, 2024. I feel like you're definitely needing to like realize and embrace the potential, the opportunity that lies in front of you. All right. And I feel like for some, you're definitely in that place of like having realized it, and now it's just like a matter of moving towards it, right? Self-mastery, topaz number 27 with the spider. So yeah, I feel like there's definitely this change here within yourself, within your situation, because you have had this realization within yourself about yourself, what have you. All right, so I feel like this is you now, like embarking on that new journey. This is you choosing to embark on that new journey, that new start, whatever it is that you're looking to move towards with the dream energy. No longer self-sabotaging, no longer allowing things from the past to influence you in a way that your growth is stunted, I want to say. All right, crystal blessing is here, as well as going within. So there's the reflection, right? The introspection, the reflection. I feel like that release and acceptance around whatever it is that you have this awareness about, all right? And being able to like move into a new direction to create something more for yourself, something like more in alignment, all right? It feels like it's more in alignment. So this is what I have for y'all. I wish you all the luck, all the good luck, all the love, and I will catch you when I catch you.